Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you Footwiz and what the heck happened. Yeah, one sec. Guys, what the heck? Yep, now I'm back here. Wait a minute. Look, I got him on Footwiz and got Carvajal. Got him, and you don't want to see that. Kind of hard with my controller. Look how much to pack and watch. Oh my God. Luis Suarez. 500,000. Yep. Luis Suarez. That's all, guys. See you tomorrow. Ooh, wait, I might open a quick pack. 1 sec. I'm opening a pack. Another pack. And I'll see who I got. Let's see. Let's see. And I got Road. And I got him. I'll surely go over. See someone there. I'm gonna do Saku, I think. Oh no. Back. I don't know what happened. What the heck? Wait, no, guys. Here you go. Franco. Not very good. And I got Klein. He's very good. Sacco. I knew it was him. And Michael San Jose. And that's all for today. Over and out.